Hi, it's Kayla with Remax, and welcome to 2063 Roland Drive located in Bailey. Let's go explore this mountain home. Inside, the open floor plan features vaulted ceilings, an updated kitchen with hickory cabinets and stainless steel appliances. The bright living room has access to the wraparound deck, showcasing mountain views and surrounded in trees. The primary bedroom features an updated bathroom, walk-in closet, and access to the deck with a hot tub. The lower level offers ample space for an entertainment area, a pool table, features 2 bedrooms, a Jack and Jill bathroom, and a big storage room. This mountain home is located in Roland Valley, which is just 10 minutes to downtown Bailey for restaurants, shopping, the local brewery, the local winery, and parks. For an easy commute, the property is also only 50 minutes to downtown Denver. So if you or someone you know would love to call this property home, reach out to me for more details. Thanks, have a great day, and remember, smiles are contagious.